Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and this is an emergency update. And one of the reasons why I'm your most trusted source for technical analysis, blockchain technology news, and the cryptocurrency sphere. Bell notification, like the channel, subscribe, and share. You can see the coins that were pumping the most: XLM, XRP, and something like SHIBA and XDC have come down and now started to collapse again. And we've been warning and we've been telling you that you never buy into a pump, and that we believe there was 32. If you watch a video from about 3 weeks ago, we said there was a 33% collapse coming after this big pump up. And you can see the XLM price had this inverted or horizontal slanted head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. We went over this extensively here. One of the only stations that was trying to tell you that there was a big dump coming. And we put that video up when the price was up in here. And we said there was a potential of a 32.69% flush all the way down to that 10-cent level. And we were telling you the whole way up here that it was more than likely the price was going to come down as the pumping price, pumping volume, bullish, up and sideways consolidation with falling volume after the pump right here, bearish. Often you'll notice a rounding top as seen as the buyers or the bulls are being exhausted and the sellers or the bears are taking over the market, and the price is going to come down. We tried to tell you this local volume spike that was in here with all these coins after the judge's news and XLM, XRP, and XDC, the volume was still very, very low. And all the buyers that were waiting to buy were in, and we were fairly confident that this price was going to come down. And now your next major support level and the XLM price is the 10.5 cents. And I just tried to keep you on the unpopular opinion. Everyone was thinking that these were calling up for XRP to shoot over $1, maybe $1.50, that XLM was going to go back maybe near its all-time high. I was trying to keep calm and keep patience and keep perspective into the market on what was going on. And if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that volume spike right here was all in a 4-hour time frame. And it wasn't anything special. It was historically near its all-time low in volume. And now the price is starting to come down. And 10.5 cents, you better hold. Or you could see in the next 4 to 8 weeks, you could see an XDC price back down here at about 6 cents. We were trying to give you the heads up, trying to let you know what was actually happening here in the 4-hour time frame. You can see this most recent pump in volumes coming back in, and it is all sell pressure. And the floor is the ceiling right now, as you could pump all the way down to 10 cents. And if you break that, 7 cents, and you'll get back 100% of this pump, right? And you can see from where that pump started to its high, this shit out of there. It went up 105%. Now at current price, it's only up 36.16%. And if it comes down here, you'd only be up 11%. So it's given back almost all those gains. I tried to give you that heads up. I tried to give you that information as we made the video also here too. We told you, not a lot of volume there. It can pump really quick to the downside from there. And we tried to tell you the same thing that happened with XLM, with XRP. It was a 4-hour candle spike. Everybody that was waiting to buy bought. The volume was crashing. We put this emergency video out back here. After a bunch of up and downs, you can see the price actually did. From right now to current price, it's down 16.77%. And we're forecasting that video we made. Check it out 2-3 weeks ago. It said 32.69% crash coming. If you don't hold this 57 cents, your next major target is 47 cents. And with XRP, it's the same thing we were talking about. From the start of the pump to the wick high, it went up 103%. But at current price, we're only up 24% now, right? It's had a big, big flush, a big, big retracement. And it was something that I was trying to warn you on and trying to keep you out ahead of. And now that's actually happening. The volume was historically low still, even after the 4-hour pump. Right back here, come on, right there that we had. Notice that? It all happened in a 4-hour time frame, that pump, but it was still historically low and still way below the mean of the volume and still trending down. And now the buyers or the sellers are taking over the market and the bulls are being exhausted, and this price is going to continue to come down. And I was just trying to keep you out ahead of the market, trying to keep you from not FOMOing in the same ways the one guy wanted to trash me because he didn't buy XDC down here after it had its big 100% or 200% pump. But from its last pump to its last. It went up about 200%, but it's given 50% of that back already. And XDC will be another one that gets back below this green trading zone and ends up probably back below where the pump started. And it'll give you, sir, that wanted to buy this, another great buying opportunity at or below that you wanted to buy before. You have to keep perspective. This bear market is not over. These were a news-induced, ferocious in a few coins bear market rally, but the news and the structure of the overall market, as the total crypto market cap is down 2%, the total crypto market cap cannot be going down and the bear market's over. That's not how this works. You would have to have the money stop going out of the crypto market cap and just be sloshing around to other coins. But the total crypto market cap has got to stop going down. It has not stopped going down yet. This bear market is still here. We have not had capitulation yet. And you can see the total crypto market cap, if it breaks this area that it's at now, or it got some brief support right there on that wick high, it's going to come all the way back down to maybe $101.457 billion. And I'm predicting that the total crypto market cap is going to lose an astounding, it might actually get below $100 billion in the next 6 months, but this bear market's not over. This is another stark example of the bear market still in full effect. Bear market rallies happen, but if the volume's not increasing and overtaking the downside in volume, and it's still historically low, and week over week, month over month, quarter over quarter, day over day, the volume's getting lower. The bear market is not over. This was one pump that got everybody to buy a certain coin at the exact same time. And since everybody bought at the exact same time, the price got artificially pumped up to levels it shouldn't have been at. And now those buyers are gone. The sellers have taken over the market, profit-taking, trading, and whatnot. You got to stay ahead of this. You got to understand the structure of the market and not be fleece heisted and shysted by these paid promoters, by these YouTube hooligans and charlatans and scumbags and shysters and snake oil salesmen that are out there to get the subscribers. They're out there just to get the views, and they're trying to sell you something. To walk away with all your hard-earned fucking money, right? But that's why old Vincenzo's here. We're not worried about the subscribers. We're not worried about fleecing you out of your money. We're worried about truth, integrity, and information and education that you need, as I'm not a financial advisor. These are all only my personal opinions, but I'm unpaid. I'm nonpartisan. I don't have an agenda, and I'm not getting paid by any of these coins or any of these sites to fleece you and try to give you hopium and try to give you and sell you a bag of goods. When you gotta stay calm, you gotta stay in the game, you gotta stay in the moment. You have to understand exactly what is going on. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Emergency update.